Welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School. Standard 4, History. Lesson number 4, Shivaji's Childhood. This you can see, children, this is the fort of Shivneri, the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. Shahaji Raje is the father of Shivaji. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea and was constantly on a run. Jijabai was pregnant, and the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jijabai there. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on four sides, strong fortification and massive doors. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijay Raj, a relative of the Bhosles. He agreed to give protection to Jijabai. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against the Mughals. And then the golden day dawned on the auspicious day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era. This is on 19th February 1630. To the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana, Jijabai gave birth to a son. All the residents of the fort were overjoyed. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji, as the child was born on the fort of Shivneri. Shivaji's childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled conditions. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. Every evening, she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Rama and Krishna, of Bhima and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdev, Jnaneshwar, or Eknath. These were the great saints. So she used to recite the devotional songs of Namdev, Jnaneshwar, or Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he should also display valor like him. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and saints that instilled in him a respect and honor for all saints and great men. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts. Shivaji shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Mavlas were like birds in the forest. They would imitate the sound of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Their pastime was building small forts of earth and making earthen elephants and horses. Like children, y'all make no small forts during the Diwali vacation. The killa y'all make outside your house. Same way, even Shivaji Maharaj, he used to like to make small forts of earth and earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. So this was about Shivaji's childhood. In the next lesson, we will see how Shahaji Raje was struggling when Shivaji was very small, till the age of 6 years. That time, what was happening with Shahaji Raje, that we will be learning in the next part of lesson number 4. Now let us go on to the fill in the blanks and match the following. Shivaji's childhood. Now see children, here the fill in the blanks are given, 3 options are given. You have to choose the correct option and then write it in your notebook. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct options. Shivaji was born on the dash fort. The options are Purandar, Shivneri, Panhala. Shivneri fort was then in charge of dash, a relative of the Bhosles. So Vijayaraj, Shivraj or Devraj. You have to choose the correct one and then write it. The child was named dash as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. Sirajji, Shahaji, Shivaji. Shivaji shared their simple meal of dash and bhakri with great relish, onion, chutney or bhaji. Now here match the pairs are given. These are, I have given you all the correct answers in front of that. Okay. But when I will give you the worksheet, in that I will just mix up the questions and then give it to you. You have to match the correct answer. So you can just learn these answers. Shivneri Fort near Junnar in Pune. Shivaji was born on 19th February 1630. Jijabai recited Namdev, Jnaneshwar and Eknath's devotional songs. Then Shivaji played with hide and seek or played with a ball or top with his Mavla friends. Now these questions you have to find out the answers and then write. Write the answer in one sentence. What did Shivaji feel due to Jijabai's teachings? And the second question is, what games did Shivaji and the children of the Mavlas play? Okay, children, find out the answers and then write it in your book. Okay, thank you.